Hi friends, so this video shows how to list all containers in all namespaces. So here I am using Google Cloud. I already created a cluster in Google Cloud and I have created a couple of pods. So let me list all containers in all namespaces. So for that we can use this command kubectl get pods hyphen all hyphen namespaces. Then I'm using this pattern and I'm just parsing the container names from the ports. So let me run this command. So these are the containers. So this way we can list all containers in all namespaces in a Kubernetes cluster. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.